Are you looking as families look for healthier, screen-free entertainment at home? The demand for trampolines with safety nets has soared. Whether for toddlers or teens, trampolines offer an engaging way to stay active while ensuring safety through built-in enclosures. In this guide, we review the best trampolines with safety nets, evaluating key features like durability, safety features, weight capacity.
List 1. Activa Fit 60-inch rebounder trampoline, indoor-outdoor for kids ages 1 to 8. The Activa Fit 60-inch rebounder is a compact, safe trampoline ideal for toddlers and young children. Designed for indoor or outdoor use, it includes a durable safety enclosure net, cushioned edges, and a low frame for easy access. The stable steel frame and high-tension bungee cords provide a soft, yet responsive bounce. It's a great pick for parents looking to develop their child's balance, coordination, and motor skills in a controlled environment. It's lightweight and easy to assemble, making it portable and perfect for small spaces or yards. Ideal for kids aged 1 to 8, this 5-foot trampoline prioritizes fun with a strong focus on safety. List number: Kids trampoline with safety net and basketball hoop, 220-pound capacity. This aesthetic kids trampoline combines safety and fun, featuring a high weight capacity of 220 pounds, making it suitable for older toddlers and even young teens. With a built-in basketball hoop, kids can enjoy active play while improving coordination and motor skills. The enclosure net is tightly woven and supported by sturdy poles, offering strong protection against falls. Its indoor-outdoor design ensures flexibility, while the anti-slip jumping mat enhances safety. Built with high-quality steel and rust-resistant components, this trampoline balances playtime with peace of mind. The vibrant design appeals to kids and blends well into both backyard or playroom setups. List number: AOTOB outdoor trampoline with safety net and basketball hoop, 8 feet, 15 feet sizes. The AOTOB trampoline is a versatile outdoor option available in multiple sizes, 8 feet, 15 feet, making it suitable for families of all sizes. Built for safety and performance, it includes a 360 degrees enclosure net, padded poles, and a durable galvanized steel frame. The trampoline also features a fun basketball hoop, encouraging active outdoor play. Its heavy-duty springs and waterproof jumping mat provide an energetic bounce and long-lasting performance. With a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, varies by size, it accommodates multiple jumpers. Whether for a small backyard or a large garden, this trampoline is a solid investment in active fun. List 4. 114 trampoline enclosure net with universal replacement poles. Perfect for revamping an old trampoline. This 14 feet trampoline enclosure net comes with universal replacement poles, offering a reliable and budget-friendly solution for upgrading safety. The net is made from UV-resistant, breathable mesh that stands up to weather and wear, while the poles are designed to fit most round trampolines. Easy to install, this set restores your trampoline's original safety standards without needing a full replacement. It's an excellent choice for families whose trampoline frames are in good condition, but whose nets or poles are worn out or damaged. List 5. Trampoline replacement safety enclosure net for 6 straight poles, round frame. If you already own a trampoline and need a net replacement only, this safety enclosure net is a dependable choice, designed to fit round frame trampolines with 6 straight poles. It offers a tight, secure fit and uses weather-resistant, breathable material. It's simple to attach and instantly improves trampoline safety, reducing the risk of falls. This is ideal for parents who want to maintain safety without replacing the entire unit. The material is tear-resistant and dries quickly after rain, making it great for long-term use.